Hello, my dear friends. Today, let us talk about the indirect Elisa. Indirect Elisa can be used for the detection of antibodies as well as for the determination of concentration of the antibodies. In this method, serum or other source materials containing the primary antibodies is added to an antigen-coated microtiter plate well and incubated to allow interactions between the antigen and antibody. Any unbound antibody is subsequently washed away and the antibody bound to antigen is detected through the addition of a second enzyme conjugated secondary antibody, which specifically binds antibody 1. Any unattached antibody second is then removed and a substrate for the conjugated enzyme is supplied to the well. This results in the generation of a colored fluorescent or chemiluminescent product that is measured using a specialized plate reader. The values obtained are compared with the values obtained for the same set of reactions with known antibody 1. Concentration of antibody used to prepare a standard curve, giving us the concentration of first antibody in patient sample. In comparison to an indirect ELISA, a direct ELISA uses an enzyme conjugated antibody to directly measure the antigen bound in the plate wells. Direct ELISA is rarely used and generally it is not in use, so not discussed. The iteration of indirect ELISA is quite popular and is considered to be the method of choice for the identification or detection of serum antibodies against the human immunodeficiency virus, means the HIV, known as the causative agent of AIDS. In a typical assay of HIV antibodies, recombinant envelope and core proteins of HIV are attached to the solid phase support of microtiter plate wells. Serum antibodies against epitopes on these viral proteins are produced by individuals infected with HIV and can be detected within 6 weeks of infection using the indirect ELISA method. The different ELISA techniques can be employed for both qualitative as well as the quantitative estimation using standard curves prepared from the known concentration of antibodies or the antigens. Indirect ELISA can be used for the estimation of antibodies or the determinations of antibodies can also be done or also for the antigens by using the method of sandwich ELISA and also the competitive ELISA. Competitive ELISA is essentially identical in principle to the competitive RIA, therefore being a classic inhibition type assay. The color produced in competitive ELISA is inversely proportional to the concentration of antigen. Thanks. Keep watching and subscribe your own YouTube channel. Thank you.